Let's go over how to create a purchase order. During this video, we'll show you how to create a purchase order and then how to receive stock. Let's create a purchase order for an existing supplier. Go to the plus icon and select purchase order. The first thing is to record the supplier name. Notice that SalesGURU populates both the billing and the email address for the supplier. That's because this info was already in the supplier list. Date should be the day you send the purchase order, or if this transaction happened in the past, the day you issued the purchase order. Delivery date is the day you expect the purchase order to be delivered to your warehouse. Settlement date should be the day you plan to settle the purchase order expense. Under Ship to, select the warehouse the inventory should be delivered to. In the product and service area, enter what you're ordering from your supplier. If you set up the product or service ahead of time, you see the price you entered earlier. You can also enter or change the price while you create the purchase order. Add as many products and services as you want. There are more options further down the form. You can enter a message to include on the purchase order. Press Create to save the purchase order. Once you create the purchase order, you will be directed to the purchase order list. You can print your purchase order from here. You can also see all issued purchase orders and their status. Once you receive the order from your supplier, click the relevant purchase order number. Always see whether the delivery matches your order request. You can add or edit your purchase order to match the delivered shipment from your supplier. You can save the edited purchase order and receive stock later, or press Receive Stock to add the delivery inventory to your warehouse. Now, you are ready to create your own purchase order.